The question is, will the world adopt a decentralized computing platform? And if so, is the answer Ethereum? Hey everybody, my name's Connor and welcome to my channel Trade in Places. My aim is to help you take advantage of the stock market so your money can work for you so that you don't have to. Today we're looking at the second largest cryptocurrency project, Ethereum, and quickly covering the three things that have helped me decide if Ethereum is a smart investment. For starters, it's important for those investing in Ethereum that the technology on which it's based gains wider adoption. If blockchain and cryptocurrency can grow in significance and establish themselves as a viable next-gen computer programming method, then the market opportunity for all budding cryptocurrency and blockchain projects is huge. So first of all then, let's discuss the likelihood of cryptocurrency as a whole succeeding. Unlike almost all private companies and banking systems in place today, cryptocurrencies typically use decentralized controls. Decentralization in a time where people continue to learn the extent of how much the government and media control what we see and hear seems like an important progression. Also, censorship continues to be a growing concern, not just across traditional media, but big tech companies who many worry are stifling freedom of speech. That's in part why it seems inevitable that people will support and build an infrastructure that's resistant to censorship and one that supports a fair balance of power. Next then, let's look at where Ethereum fits into all of this. There's no doubt in my mind that we are witnessing a new era of computer programming based on blockchain technology, and one key function of this innovation is the reform of digital ownership via the ability to create smart contracts. The use of these contracts to securely run decentralized apps, or dApps, especially related to finance, otherwise known as DeFi, is being touted as the best use case of blockchain technology. In fact, the World Economic Forum, the WEF, predicts that 10% of global GDP in the form of trade agreements, energy sharing, mortgages and business transactions could be performed on blockchain technology within the next 10 years. Ethereum pioneered this space and in doing so has gained an impressive reputation from investors and corporations, making it the most likely platform for this to occur. However, despite what many people think, it's unlikely that only one cryptocurrency will prevail in this space, and it's far more likely that many will be winners in the same way that Palo Alto, Zscaler, CrowdStrike and others are successfully sharing the cybersecurity industry. Lastly, let's consider the concerns that many people have about the crypto industry and Ethereum specifically. Firstly, barriers to entry remain extremely low within the cryptosphere, and there are a number of Ethereum killers out there. Rival platforms such as Cardano or Tezos boast of better scalability. EOS brags about speed, whilst Cosmos works on building superior unification. Secondly, losing your Ethereum tokens, otherwise known as ETH, is a real problem. A private key must be used in order to access your cryptocurrency, and although this is designed to protect you from hackers, there is the possibility that if you misplace this key, then you'll lose access to your funds forever. However, this is a problem for the entire crypto industry and not just for Ethereum. Finally, over the past couple of years, a huge amount of ICOs and DeFi projects have raised over $20 billion in Ethereum tokens. This has helped drive up the price of Ethereum over the last couple of years. However, this could pose a problem for the price of ETH going forward. And this is because despite a lot of these ICOs selling off their tokens during the crypto crash in 2018, many tokens are still held by owners of these previous projects. And if they begin selling these tokens, this will create downward pressure on ETH, which won't be a problem for competitors such as Cardano, EOS and Tezos. To summarize, I believe that blockchain has the potential to be the fastest growing industry of the next decade, and Ethereum's first mover advantage within the use of smart contracts really gives it a great chance of being one of the eventual winners within the space. This idea is strengthened further when considering the number of projects currently being built on the Ethereum platform, the increasing amount of active addresses and the upgrade to Ethereum 2.0. If you want to sign up to a trusted platform that allows you to buy shares of Ethereum and other leading cryptocurrencies, then you can join global trading platform eToro by clicking the link in the description below. Also in the description is a neat little disclaimer just informing you that I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. That said, I do hope the video was helpful and ideally you now know a bit more about Ethereum and whether or not it may be a sensible investment given your own financial goals and tolerance to risk. Before you go, please click the like button. It takes like a second, whereas this video took me about a day. I'm still learning how to produce these videos and make them interesting for you guys, so please show some love and subscribe. It keeps me super engaged and I'll keep producing more videos and all of the greatest stocks and cryptocurrencies out there. So stay tuned for my upcoming videos, but in the meantime, check out my website tradingplaces.com and remember that your money should be working for you and not the other way around.